Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me for day number 4 of opening our Advent Calendar 2024. I'm super excited to see what's inside, so let's jump right down and take a look at what's in that bag. All right, we've already opened some card panels and a coupon. We've opened a 3x4 stamp set. We've opened coordinating dies. I wonder what day 4 will be. Oh, look at that. We've got some fun bows and some cute colors that will coordinate with the colors in the kit. Just like everything I do with our Crafty Courtyard kits and the foil subscriptions that we have, I try to make everything match and coordinate so that you can easily pull this stuff out and put it together and make some great cards. So now you have some little bows and just some pre-tied bows. It always makes a cute addition to a card, is a little bow on something. So we've got pink, yellow, blue, and white in there. So we've got some little embellishments, some little bows. So exciting. I love adding ribbon and twine and bows to my cards. It just gives that extra little texture to your card besides just flat paper, you know? All right. So thanks again for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed opening day number 4 with me. And tomorrow we'll open day number 5. I can't wait. Hopefully you'll join me then. And until then, keep living the creative life. We'll see you then.